Want to know how to add blog posts to your site using WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WordPress.com website, and once you're there, make sure you're under the WP admin of your created website. Now, once you've done that, make sure to hit towards post or pages. The process is simply same. I'm just going for post this time. Now, just simply open up any existing post or page that you have, and once it opens up, it should look something like this. This is the editor page right here. So on the editor page, here on the top left side, you should see this plus icon, this blue plus icon. This opens up blogs, patterns and medias. So since you want to add blog post, you can just simply search for blog, and here you should be seeing blog post right here. So you can just simply add it, and the blog post should be automatically added on the canvas right here. So that's it, super simple and easy. So you can just edit it as you want, and then don't forget to save it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.